Hi, I'm Jaime Mass, registered dietitian and health advisor with Life Extension. Everyone at some point has gone to the doctor to have their blood pressure taken or their blood drawn for cholesterol or glucose. Unfortunately, most of us stop at our annual checkup as though this gives us enough information to screen for potential health problems, but it's not. The #1 killer of Americans is cardiovascular disease. How many of us actually know what our risk for developing cardiovascular disease is, or our risk for a sudden cardiac event? That's why Life Extension has trusted in Nutrisource Diagnostics. They are a leader in omega-3 fatty acid research. Your comprehensive omega score blood test goes far beyond traditional medicine. Before we take a look at the omega score blood test, let's take a moment to review fatty acids and why we need them for health and for anti-aging. There are several types of fatty acids. Today we'll look at two: omega-3 fatty acids and omega-6 fatty acids. Both are essential fatty acids, meaning your body needs them for your health, but we can't make them in the body, so we must attain them from both diet or supplementation. Omega-3 fatty acids are crucial for brain health and for decreasing your risk in cardiovascular disease. They've also gained popularity of recent for the literature in decreasing inflammation, as well as lowering your risk of other chronic illnesses. Omega-6 fatty acids, on the contrary, tend to promote inflammation, and they're found in great excess in the typical American diet. Don't forget, though, fats are good for you. It's just about finding a key balance and having a balance in healthy fats. What does this mean? Attaining an appropriate healthy ratio between omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids. How do you know if you're getting enough omega-3 fatty acids in your diet, or if the fatty acids you have are in balance? Take the omega score blood test and eliminate that guesswork. If your report comes back and your omega-3 levels are low, or your omega-6 and saturated fatty acid levels are high, don't worry. You're in the same boat as many Americans. You also will have the information from your omega score blood test to change those ratios into a healthier balance. Your next question may be, well, what score will I receive on my omega score blood test? You'll actually be receiving 4 scores. Let's take a closer look. We have your first score, which is your omega-3 whole blood score. This shows you your total omega-3 fatty acids in the blood: EPA, DHA, and DPA. And this is correlated with risk for cardiovascular disease, for sudden death in those who have not had a history of cardiovascular disease. Your second score is your omega-3 serum equivalence score. And this looks at your risk for developing cardiovascular disease. Your third score is omega-3 RBC equivalence score. And this looks at your risk of sudden heart attack. The fourth and final score on your test will be your omega-3 EPA and DHA serum equivalence score. And this shows you your risk of dying from a sudden heart attack. Very strong and powerful information in just 4 drops of blood. Your test will come conveniently packaged in a kit, so you can take a finger prick at home in the privacy of your own home, and it's very convenient. You then will be able to have another bonus. You'll get those test results sent straight to you, and you can call one of our health advisors and review your blood work. They'll help you fully understand what your omega score means so you can have a meaningful conversation with your own doctor. It's truly the only way to tell if the omega-3s in your diet are sufficient to provide you with optimal support in getting in the way of cardiovascular disease. Wouldn't it be smart to order your omega score blood test today? For Life Extension, I am Jaime Mass.